Friends, hello everyone and welcome to our channel. In this video, I will show you and tell you how you can easily change the password on your Facebook page. Please friends, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Also write your comments after watching the video and put likes. And let's friends, we are going to proceed with this topic. Please open the Facebook application on your device. Next, you will need to from the main Facebook page at the bottom. On the right-hand side, go to the menu section. Next, friends, on the top right side, click on the gear. Next, in the settings section, you will need to go to the Meta Account Center. Now, select the password and security option. Next, change password. Next, select your Facebook page. And as you can see, this is how you get to the Facebook password change itself. So, what do you need to do here next? The first thing you need to do is to write your current actual Facebook password. For this, you just need to click on the field and enter your password. After that, friends, you will need to enter your new password, but make sure you don't forget to read this footnote here. And take note that the password should have at least 6 characters. It should also have numbers, letters, and special characters. So after you've made a new password with all these password rules in mind, you'll need to duplicate it again at the bottom. After you have filled in all 3 items, you just need to click Done. And then click Change Password at the bottom. And your Facebook password will be immediately changed to a new one. This is such a very simple and quick method. Friends, you will be able to change your Facebook password with ease. I really hope you found this video useful and helpful. Please don't forget to write comments, put your likes under the video, and also be sure to subscribe to our channel. See you soon.